Hello, so in today's session we'll be discussing about how to create a sales return with and without invoice number. So first of all, move on to transactions, click on sales. Here you have the option as sales return. So you can already see the list of sales return that we have done. In order to create a new sales return, click on sales return, provide the invoice number against which you would like to do the return. Click on enter. You can see we have the products in this particular invoice, and you can add the item that you would like to return and then provide how many quantities that the customer has written and add it to the list and click on return, and the sales return will be completed. If you want to view the sales return, you can click on action, and from here you will have the sales return preview. Now in case if the customer comes without an invoice and if he wants to return an item, what we can do is we have an option known as sales return without invoice number. So click on it, click on sales return, then select the customer name, and from here add the product name which they would like to return. So I have selected the product coffee powder, and from here you can see how many quantities has been sold and how many has been currently returned and how many more can be returned. So from here you can add the quantity they would like to return and select the unit and select the rate and click on add, and this item will be added to the list. So on the top you can also see an option as sales invoice number. This is in case if you are changing a software and the data has to be fetched from the previous software. So in case if you want to just mark the invoice number against which you would like to create the sales return in this new software, you can mark it from here and then click on return, and this sales return without invoice number will be complete and you can view it from the list. And now moving on to the reports section, go to reports, click on sales. Here you'll have the sales return as well as the sale and return summary. So going on to sales return summary, go to filter data, select the period, or you can go for a custom date as well, and you can filter the data as such and click on search, and you will have the complete sales return summary. And there is sales and return summary where you will have a comparison about how many sales has been done and how much return has been done. So this is everything about sales return with and without invoice number.